Have you ever wanted to buy crypto, but maybe felt a little unsure about how to do it safely? Well, what if you could buy it directly from another person? That's exactly what peer-to-peer or P2P trading is all about. Today, we're going to walk through the exact steps to buy digital currency like USDT securely and with total confidence. Let's dive in. You know, the idea of trading directly with a stranger online can sound a bit risky, right? But what if I told you it's actually one of the easiest ways to get into crypto, as long as you follow a few simple rules? That's what we're here for, to give you that know-how so you can trade like a pro from day one. So what even is P2P trading? Just think of it like a secure online marketplace, kind of like an eBay for crypto. The platform you're on acts as a referee or a middleman. It holds the seller's crypto in something called escrow. This is the key part. It means the seller can't just take your money and disappear. The crypto is only released to you after they confirm they've got your money. It's basically a trust system with a built-in digital bodyguard. Okay, so here's our game plan. First, we'll get your account set up and ready to go. Then we'll cover how to pick a trustworthy seller out of the crowd. After that, we'll walk through the actual trade step by step, and we'll finish up with the absolute golden rules that will keep you safe. All right, first things first, before you even start looking at sellers, you gotta make sure your own setup is perfect. Trust me, a little bit of prep work here is going to save you from some major headaches down the road. So there are 3 steps here, and they are absolutely non-negotiable. First, your account has to be fully verified. That's just a standard ID check. Second, you need to link up your payment method, whether it's your bank or an app like EasyPaisa. And third, and listen, I really can't stress this enough, the name on your trading account must be an exact match for the name on your payment account. No nicknames, no shortcuts. This one rule is your best defense against pretty much any scam out there. Okay, your account is all set up and ready to go. Now for the fun part, finding someone to actually trade with. So let's jump in and see how you can sift through all the options to find a seller you can really trust. When you first open the P2P marketplace, it can look like a lot. The trick is to use the filters right away. Don't just scroll. You need to tell the system exactly what you want. So for example, let's say you want to buy 3,000 Pakistani rupees worth of crypto and you want to pay using EasyPaisa. You just punch that in and boom, the list instantly shrinks to only the sellers who are a perfect match for you. Now, once you have your list, think of each seller's profile as their report card. You're looking for 3 key things. First, their completion rate. Anything over 98% is awesome. It means they almost always finish their trades. Second, look for that little yellow check mark. That means they're a verified merchant, which means the platform has done extra checks on them. It's a huge plus. And finally, just take a quick peek at their user rating. Lots of positive feedback, that's a great sign. So, you've done your homework, you've picked your trading partner. Now it's time for the main event, the trade itself. Don't worry, it's not complicated. Think of it as a guided, secure digital handshake. The actual trade is a simple 5-step dance. Step 1, you place your order. The system then gives you the seller's payment info. Step 2, you send the exact amount from your account. Remember, the one with the matching name. Step 3, take a quick screenshot of the transaction as proof. Step 4, upload that proof and hit the Transferred Notify Seller button. This is super important. It officially tells the system and the seller that you've done your part. And finally, Step 5, the seller confirms they have the money and they release the crypto straight into your wallet. That's it. And there you have it. Just like that, 10.5 USDT landed successfully and safely right in your account. See, when you follow the steps, it's a smooth process that just works. Okay, we've walked through the how, but now we need to talk about the most critical part of all of this, the rules that keep you safe. And these aren't just suggestions, okay? These are the keys to making sure every trade you do is worry-free. Seriously, just look at this slide. If you take away only one single piece of information today, I want it to be this phrase, third-party payments not allowed. Let that really sink in for a second. So what does that actually mean in practice? It's really simple. If your trading account says your name is Ali, you absolutely must pay from a bank account that also says Ali. You can't use an account from someone named Vikas or your brother's account or a company account. If you do, the seller will reject it and you risk losing your money and getting your account flagged. No exceptions. Now for your second line of defense, communication. Every single message, every question about the trade has to happen inside the platform's official chat window. If a seller ever asks you to switch to WhatsApp or Telegram, that is a massive red flag. Why? Because if anything goes wrong, that official chat is the only record, the only evidence that customer support can look at to help you. Stay in the chat. So let's lock in those 3 golden rules one last time, okay? Number 1, your account name and your payment name must match perfectly. Number 2, never, ever send money from a third-party account. Not your friends, not your family's, yours and only yours. And number 3, keep all your conversations inside the platform's official chat. You follow these 3 rules and you've basically built yourself a fortress. You see, learning how to trade P2P isn't just about picking up a new skill. It's a real step towards having more control over your own finances. It puts the power right back into your hands. So with these steps and these rules in your toolkit, the only real question left is, are you ready to be your own bank?